Welcome to the installation guide for Circul-Air's Wall Mount Turnout Gear Locker. In just a few steps, we'll show you how to safely assemble and secure your locker for turnout gear, helmets, boots, and protective equipment. Before we begin, remember, lockers must be securely fastened to prevent equipment damage or personal injury. This assembly should always be performed by 2 or more people. You'll need a level, chalk line, measuring tape, 7/16 and 9/16 inch sockets or wrenches, a rubber mallet, and the appropriate anchors for your wall. Start by marking your wall. Use a laser or plumb line to establish the baseline, typically 6 inches above the floor. Draw a second line 1 1/4 inches above for the bottom frame placement. Next, measure up 69 3/4 inches for the top frame line. Mark panel center lines, 19 inches on center for 18-inch lockers, 21 inches for 20-inch lockers, and 25 inches for 24-inch lockers. Secure the bottom frame along the baseline with wall brackets. Leave the bolts slightly loose. Do the same for the top frame at the top line. Next, install one panel at each end of the frames. Snug them in place but allow some slack for the remaining panels. With the frames in place, install the divider panels. Panels should all face the same direction. Tighten wall brackets, then add the remaining panels. Square up the locker section and snug all hardware. For longer runs, additional sections connect with spacer frames that also function as a locker opening. Attach spacers at the top and bottom, then repeat the frame and panel steps until all sections are installed. Once everything is square, tighten all hardware. Now add the shelves. The helmet shelf installs 4 wires down from the top. Drop it in at an angle and secure with the aluminum hanger bar and brackets. The boot shelf installs 2 wires up from the bottom, also dropped in at an angle. Finish by securing the hanger bar across the section for turnout coats and pants. Finally, check that all hardware is tight and the system is square. Inspect lockers regularly for loose or damaged parts. Your fire gear is mission critical. Proper storage keeps it safe, dry, and ready for service. For service or support, contact Circul-Air.